In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page in Confluence page tree. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go over here to the middle left, where you can see your page tree in the sidebar. So if you click on this button over here, the change view, you want to switch over to tree, and then this is going to be your default view, okay? So to add a page in your page tree over here, what you can do is either click on this plus create button over here, and then just add a page. So I'm going to click on here, and I'm going to, of course, name this one, like, for example, page 1, and then as you can see, I've added this in here, and I can then position it wherever I want. Like, I can go and position it like in between over here. So when it gives me this line over here, it means I can position it over there. Or if I go to, of course, hover over a specific page, I can make it like a child page of that specific page, and it's going to go basically below that. Okay, so just like this, as you can see, you can do it like that, and it's going to get added in here, and then you can put it out if you don't want it in there anymore. So that's how to add a page in Confluence page tree. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.